Dearest Mom and Dad, a Ruby wedding anniversary is not just a day of ordinary celebration. It demands a big one.
40 years of togetherness means a long journey through life. So, on this special day, let's look back with happiness and pride upon the 4 decades that you've spent side by side.
First, a flashback. Let's look at how the 40 years have gone by, from 1981 to 2021.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Well, darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby.
On your 40th wedding anniversary, here's what your near and dear ones have to say.
On this milestone anniversary, Mom and Dad, here's a small poem dedicated to both of you from us.
As we look back on the last 40 years gone by, a lot of happy memories flash our mind. God indeed has been very kind. Mom, getting married at 18 was a feat. Despite the culture shock, you still managed to find your feet. With your passion of giving back to society, you shaped the lives of numerous kindergarten students and indeed made a difference. You bloomed where you were planted and set an example that has long lasted. Dado, thanks to your BEL job, we had a stable and carefree childhood, growing up in the lap of nature in a secure neighborhood. We enjoyed the outdoor picnics in our garden, chilling on hammocks, chasing butterflies and fireflies, something we miss in our present life in the urban. So when we think of our growing up years, we feel nothing but happiness. We may have not been rich in material possessions, but certainly rich in love and affection. You'll ensure we have roots of inner values like rings within a tree, and gave us wings of independence to seek our own destiny.
We have had our share of ups and downs, but been of strength to each other through the roller coaster and handle every curveball together, thus being pillars of support to one another. Just like how a jigsaw puzzle has different shapes that fit together perfectly, so goes with your personalities. While you are a go-getter, an optimist, and a people's person, Amma, Dado is supportive, good-tempered, patient, and content. Amma is the anchor that holds our family together, and Dado is the wind beneath her wings. We've learned to be kind, believe in ourselves, and never limit our abilities by the example set by Amma, while we've learned to value help, be patient, and forgiving from Apna Dado. Amma, you are the strongest woman we know, and we feel blessed if we embody you even the slightest. Dado, you will always remain a superhero to your grandsons as they continue to adore you. You have been the ultimate teachers and caregivers, and we really appreciate all that you do. All we can say is a big thank you. On your Ruby anniversary, may God shower His choicest blessings on you and fill your lives with abundance of good health and happiness. In the 5th decade of your partnership, may you enjoy the fruits of the seeds that you have sown and turn ruby into gold. Cheers to you both.
Happy Ruby anniversary. Happy Ruby anniversary, Mama Marja. Thank you for teaching us good habits and values. Aja, I like your Punyakoti story session and I like your music time session. Mama, I like your yummy food that you make. Mama, I also like your beautiful garden and I like racing your red car. And here's a small song for you both. Aja, Mama, the best we ever have. Aja, Mama, the best, and we love them just because they make fun playtime for Miko and me, and they just allow us to be. That's why they are the best grandparents for Miko and for me. That's why they are the best grandparents for Miko and for me. Love you both. Happy Ruby anniversary, Mama Manager. Magamaja tumgete and driver wachana tabba kelno lollipop khana pura corona वाटर में एक होल पास करो बाय
Happy 40th wedding anniversary, Amma and Dado, and wishing you many more. You would get a lot of emotional and sentimental messages from relatives and friends. So I thought I'll lighten the mood up a little bit, remembering a few fun incidents which I remember very vividly. First one obviously being Dado falling into the swimming pool when we used to take Agastya for his swimming lessons. It was amazing the way he laughed it off and still laughs at it whenever he does remember it, and so do we. The other incident is us catching the rat at the Indiranagar house in the kitchen, where Nikki and Amma were shouting out strategies as to how to catch the rat. Whether we caught the rat or not, I don't remember, but certainly gave us a few good laughs and memories. I hope we have traveled to a few places, and I hope we continue to do so soon after the pandemic, by which time I'm sure Amma would have accumulated enough stocks, probably more than Rakesh Junjanwala, the rate she's going. So a luxurious holiday is on the cards. And Amma, thank you for all the MasterChef quality food that you give us. You dunzo us, and whenever we visit Indiranagar, you do ensure that it's always there. So thank you for that. And wishing you both again a very happy wedding anniversary.
Hi Kala and Ravi. Congratulations on reaching 40 years of married life. Happy anniversary. We are very happy and excited for you. Nikki and Neha had asked us to think about some remembrances, some old memories. And unfortunately, we were not present for your wedding. At the time of your wedding, we were not in India. But we do remember with great joy the many times that we visited Bangalore and spent time with you in your home. But most of all, I think your Krishna Aja talks about the nogli he ate, the fish that you so sweetly went out and got specially for him, and he still salivates over it. So thank you again for all that you've done for us and all the happy memories you've given us every time we visited Bangalore. So once again, happy anniversary, and may you have many, many, many more years together.
Congratulations, Kala and Ravi, on your new milestone. That is an excellent thing that happened, and we look forward to seeing many more years like that in the future. Bye-bye.
On the occasion of your Ruby anniversary, a small tribute to you, both dear Anna and Kala. 40th marriage anniversary greetings comes to you with a cheer. To the evergreen couple, Anna and Kala dear. It seems that you both wed just the other day. How time flies on winged feet, they say. We cherish the good times that we together spent and are grateful for all the help you lent. To those who were down with COVID, you gave solace and comfort even up to the grave. May God bless you both. I'm sure He would. Happiness, health, and everything good.
Hi dear Anna and Kala. Wishing both of you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. May the coming years continue to give you happy times, great moments with your loved ones, and most of all, good health. Love both of you always for being there when we needed you and always lending a helping hand, not only to us but to everyone else. We have seen it, especially during these difficult COVID times. Wishing our dear Anna and Kala once again our good wishes.
Hi Raviman, hi Kalma. Wishing you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. I really hope this pandemic ends and we can meet soon. And you all can get to meet Sameer as well. I have so many wonderful memories with you all over the years, especially our vacations at Bell Colony and your trip to Hindon and Delhi. And I hope we can make more memories together soon. So wishing you all a great day and a great year ahead. And Sameer, say happy wedding anniversary.
Say happy anniversary.
Mama. Say? Okay, a lot of wishes from Sameer as well.
Hi Ravimant and Kalma. Wishing you a very, very happy wedding anniversary and wish you 40 more.
Yeah. So anyway, have a great day and hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Hi Ravimant and Kalma, wishing you both a very happy 40th anniversary. I hope you'll have a great year ahead, and I hope this pandemic ends and we can all meet at some point. I remember a few years ago, probably 10-15 years ago, when you guys had come to Hindon where we were staying. We had gone to visit some place in Delhi, and I pretended that I knew the way, and Ravimant asked me if I knew the way, and I told him, yeah, but I won't tell you. And you both found that extremely funny, and you all were laughing about it a lot. Anyway, I just hope that we can meet at some point, and wishing you all a great time ahead. See you all soon. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Anna and Kala. Anna, I still remember the day you first met Kala and the reaction when you saw her. It was priceless. I also remember when we had fun at your wedding, which was the first for both our families. I can't believe it's been 40 years already. Time has certainly flown by quickly. Hope you can celebrate this special day safely and wishing you both many more years of togetherness, joy and happiness.
Oh, hi Ravi and Kala. Wishing you both a very, very happy anniversary and hope you have a lot more coming in the future.
Happy 40th anniversary, Rav Mom and Kalmai. I have so many fond memories spending time with you guys at Bell Colony. I still remember my favorite is when you guys taught me how to scooter, and I just got so much joy scootering around the campus. Here's hoping we can all meet again soon and make many more happy memories together.
Happy 40th anniversary, Anna and Kala!
Happy 40th wedding anniversary, Rav Mom and Kolmai. I still have so many fond memories of visiting you all and laughing so hard that my stomach hurt. I really hope that you have a wonderful year ahead of you and that one day that you can meet Andrew so that we can all spend time together when COVID gets better. I'm wishing you all the best and 40 more years of joy together.
Congratulations on 40 years of marriage. It's quite an accomplishment. Looking forward to meeting you at some point, and all the best.
Hi Kala and Raubaji. Wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary and many, many more to come.
Hi. Looking back 40 years ago, it has been one of the most amazing times. First, we had to keep an eye out to make sure that Dad's diktat was followed. The two of you were never together. Second, we were worried about the marriage because Karnataka was banned on July 9th. And the third thing was we didn't know whether guests would be coming, whether your marriage would take place. And finally, dropping you off to Summer Sands at Kullar. That was another memorable moment. You have come a long way since then. And I'm sure you'll be having a wonderful day and year ahead. Take care and stay safe. Best wishes from my little one too.
Yay! Clappy clappy love you.
Hi Kalaka and Raubaji. Wishing you both a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. A milestone anniversary indeed. Yours sending lots of love, even from Navya on your special occasion. Love and warm wishes, today and always.
Hi Kalaka, hi Raubaji. Wishing you both a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. We are so glad to be a part of this video compilation on your special day. From being a couple to young parents, to older parents and now to grandparents. I'm sure it's been an amazing ride and it's going to be even more fantastic. Wishing you guys a very nice day and a year ahead and lots of love and best wishes from all of us and Navya as well. So happy anniversary. Bye.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Kalmavi and Ravmant. 40 years, that's amazing. We've been together almost 4 years and we think that's amazing. Y'all have been together 40 years, that's really cool.
Mind blowing.
Just know that, from the beginning, you've been there for us in every single way and you've both been such great role models for us. We just want to wish you happiness for the rest of your lives and togetherness and peace and joy and all your values that you've passed on to your daughters and also your grandkids. It's so evident and it's such a great example of who you all are. So hope you have a great day and great year and the great rest of your lives together.
Yes, and we can't wait to see you guys soon.
Yes, one
Bye-bye.
moment.
Hi!
Wait. Hi, happy wedding anniversary. I just want to say thank you to both of y'all for everything and wish you all the best. Love y'all.
Hi Raubaji, hi Kala. Happy wedding anniversary, 40 years. It's amazing, and you have always been there for us. After mommy passed away, you have stepped into her shoes, taking care of Kiran and me in that aspect. Been there for us, guided us, always wanted the best for us. Thank you so much. Love you both. Wishing you all the best the happiness, everything that you deserve. Bye.
And Raboji wanted to wish you a very, very happy wedding anniversary. Another year to create precious memories together. Another year to discover new things to enjoy about each other. Another year to build a life rich in love and laughter. Another year to strengthen a marriage that defines forever. Very happy Ruby wedding anniversary to both of you.
Happy anniversary. Love you guys.
Love you.
Kala and Ravi wish you a very, very happy 40th wedding anniversary.
Yeah, and this is a milestone in your married life, and we would like to see you finish your platinum wedding anniversary. So Kala, we'll meet you once this pandemic is over. All the best. God bless you.
Hi Kalanti, hi Ravi uncle. This is Ashwini. I'm in this camp. It's very windy. And I did not want to wish you from my hotel room. I wanted to wish you from a beautiful place because it had to be a special wish because it's special people. And happy wedding anniversary. I wish we could have been together to celebrate, but we will do that as soon as I visit next year because I know that if anyone knows to have a good party, it's definitely Kalanti. Hope to see you guys soon. If not, I hope this is the year that you guys can travel to the US. I have an itinerary planned for you guys. Much love from all of us here. The kids say that they miss Kalanti's food and the toys. Happy wedding anniversary, both of you. Bye.
Hi, Ravi and Kala. Wish you both a very happy 40th wedding anniversary.
Very happy 40th wedding anniversary, Ravi and Kala.
Many more years of togetherness. We will always cherish the memories of our trip to Leh Ladakh and Vaishno Devi. Stay safe. Have a nice day.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना.
Hi Roboji, you remember this song? This was a song that you sang during the time you got engaged. अब तो 40 साल तो हो गए, आप जरूर जानते होंगे अब तक, you know. तो बस यही उम्मीद है कि ये हमेशा this innings keeps on getting longer and longer, and of course I think the best of the times that we have spent together is something that cannot be encapsulated in a 2-minute or it might need a documentary actually, honestly, right? Given the fact that we had spent time in Bombay, in Bangalore, and in Bangalore you have the Bell Colony, and then your visits to Delhi, and then again back to your Indiranagar house, and your fondness earlier for the Amchigale food, and how you also evolved. The last time I remember you also liked the Japanese food. Remember that dinner that we had together? And of course the fondness for the coffee that you inculcated, which Kala of course was trying to sort of do your role, saying that, hey Ravi, don't have that often, you will get into acidity situations and things like that. But having, these are the memories that will always keep endearing to us, and look forward to some more memories going forward.
Congratulations Kala and Roboji on completing 40 years of your wedding celebrations. And it just looks like yesterday when we also had got married. Kala came to Bombay for the wedding, and then subsequently our moving to Bangalore, and then spending time together. Children grew up together, and whether it was your Bell Colony lawns where you hosted your excellent birthday parties, or children or Nikki and Neha spending their time with us in Malleshwaram, all those things being so much of fond memories. And to top it all, you were probably the best times we have spent together in Delhi. And I think you are one of our most frequent visitor to Delhi. And I always remember the good times that we have spent together in Delhi, and not to miss the trouble that you and Roboji, everything we all took to come for Rajnita's wedding. In spite of having 2 little grandsons in the arm, you have brought them along for the wedding and have really graced the occasion, and that has made us so happy. And you have been so much of an inspiration. Today when we are looking at Zian, and if we are tired, we always remember you and you both, and we say if they could do moving out of the kind of city, then for us taking care of him inside the house is not so much of an issue. That's been a real great inspiration for us.
Happy 40th anniversary Kalaka and Rabbaji. I really can't believe it's 40 years. Umang and me have been married for 4 years, and I can't imagine what it will look like at 40. Hopefully it will look a little bit or maybe even half as good as what you and Rabbaji look like at 40. I still remember the times when we used to come for stayovers to your house in Bell Colony, and Kalaka used to make yummy baked food for all of us, and Rabbaji used to take Nikki and me or Neha and me doubles on the scooter and take us around in the colony. Such wonderful memories of all of us spending time together, of us going out, growing up, and it's been a great innings, and like mom and dad have said, you all have been a great inspiration. Kalaka, with your undying enthusiasm and energy to try and explore various different things, travel, see things, starting your own blog. It is definitely knitting. It's definitely been a great learning, and just watching you and Rabbaji kind of grow together in your relationship also has been amazing. And like I said, hope we emulate at least some part of it in our lives. So on this very, very special occasion, we have this little poem that actually mom has written, and to help with that, we have this the newest addition in our family also coming in to wish you a very, very, very happy anniversary, and hope you have many, many more years of togetherness and happiness going forward as well. So we're going to have this little new member join us, and
after your silver wedding and your pearl weddings, now you get a ruby, but you both and your marriage looks as young as a newbie. And I can't wait to celebrations of a platinum jubilee.
Hi Kala, hi Rabbaji. My best wishes on your 40 years of married life together. The best part is me being part of the journey, which I enjoy very much. I remember the initial days before your marriage, the wonderful conversations at the Bandra house. And then after your marriage, you guys visiting me in Dharwad, visiting my small room, having good conversations there. Kala and me discussing about our college life. It was wonderful. You guys really made my Dharwad stay also special with that visit. During my course of my engineering, me also visiting your first home at Bell. For someone from Bombay to be able to see the open space, the greenery of Bell when you took me around was really amazing. And the way you were enjoying your life, I think that was just beautiful. And yes, who can forget the movie we saw together, Fedora? I'm sure you remember that. And after that, I guess the next I saw you was after my return from US, when you had become parents for the 2 wonderful daughters that you have, whom you have shaped very well, supported them in all that they wanted to achieve. And then I still remember your 25th anniversary so vividly at Bell Club. And then the festivities, the marriage festivities of your daughters at the same club. And now your next journey, where you went on to become grandparents of 2 wonderful grandsons, and now moving to your own home also at Indiranagar and enjoying your life there. I really wish you a wonderful, wonderful, many more years together, and look forward to being part of the journey as well. So all the best to you guys.
Hi Kalaka, Rabaji. Just want to wish you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary, and I'm sure that there will be many more to enjoy in the future. Have a great day.
Happy anniversary, Kala Rabaji. Happy anniversary.
Hi Kala, it's a very long time we have met. We met each other, and I think last we saw each other during Diksha's marriage. And wish you and Rao Babaji a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. It's a great milestone, and I always remember you as a very fun-loving and happy-go-lucky and very friendly in nature. And Rao Babaji is very matured and down-to-earth person. Once again, wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary and good health for your future.
Kala and Ravi, happy wedding anniversary to both of you, and many happy returns of the day. God bless.
Hi Kala and Raubauji, happy anniversary to both of you. 30 years and many more to go. May God bless you with all the good health and wealth.
Hi dear Kala and Babaji, wishing you both a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. Wish you many more years of togetherness with lots of love and happiness. You both are such an amazing couple. It's a pleasure knowing you both. Love you lots. God bless. Cheers.
Hi dear Kala and Babaji. Many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful 40th anniversary and a great day, great year, and a life filled with the best of health and happiness always. Cheers.
Happy anniversary! Kalpachi Raubauji, wish you a very happy 40th anniversary. I think both of you are extremely symbolic of true love. We've seen you together for a long time now, and you're really role models to us. We look up to you and want to be where you are after 40 years. We seek your blessings and wish you many years of love and togetherness. Keep smiling, keep enjoying your life. Love you.
Happy anniversary, Kalpachi Raubauji. See, I know you for what? From the time I got married to Rahul, and I've always seen you both as a very lovey-dovey, very happy couple. And to know that you have completed 4 decades with each other, it's wonderful. Wish you both many more years of love and happiness together. And yeah, love you both, and always be the lovebirds that you both are. Whenever we see you, we always say that, they look so much in love and they are so happy. So always be that cheerful, happy self. Wish you both a very happy anniversary.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi! So, on the occasion of your 40th anniversary, we all are remembering all the beautiful memories we had with you. I can remember me and Dadi visited you, and Pari and Kush, we all visited you.
We had a good time.
Yes, we did have a very good time. That was the first time meeting the both of you, and it felt very comfortable and homely when we got there.
And we didn't feel like coming back again.
Yes, we did wanted to come. Of course, COVID came, and Papa also might have some memories.
Auntie, I am having a very good memory with you when we went to Mysore, and I was having there lots of fun with you. And it was an amazing time.
That was a great time.
That was a great time when Pari was too small and she learned walking at your place. And that was an amazing time which I cannot forget.
In your lawn.
Everything. So happy anniversary to you, Auntie. Lots and lots of wishes to you.
And if you ask me, for me, I have big memory ka pitara. But as he has told me to keep it short and crisp, I still remember the first day when I came to your place, when I was in my college days, and 2 little sisters were there, you were there, uncle were there, and you met me as if we know each other since years. And since then till now, it's been like you are my family. I take you as my mom and my dad. I take you and uncle as my mom and dad. So for me, you are also my family, and Nikki and Neha are my kids. So hats off. Out of so many people in my life, you people have a special place in at least
A
our
very
lives.
special place in our
Very
in
special
our
place.
heart. Nikki and Neha were too small, and now they have grown up. They are having their kids, everything, and being with you is a special thing in the life.
So yes, we would like to wish you both a very
Very happy anniversary!
And God bless you all both.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी कला दादी एंड अभी दादू एंड आपके साथ बैंडिंग में भी टाइम बिताया था, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा था, तो बहुत मज़ा आया था। और मतलब बाकी आई लाइक कि दादी आप बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे पेशेंट हो और आप इंजॉय करते हो अपनी लाइफ को। दैट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम यू। एंड दादू आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा सेंसिबल हो एंड काम, so that's amazing and happy anniversary and take care.
Hey Kala, Ravi, we just got the message now in the morning and we have got only
5 minutes.
what?
We have 5 minutes to speak.
Not 5 minutes to speak. We have to give this video within today evening. Is what she has said.
So this is the best
if you this is the best we could do. You see the attire. If you love it, please thank Nikki and Adi for this. Yeah,
We are Mr. and Mrs. Cowboy.
for you today.
Speaking from Texas.
She wants to say something.
Acha. First of all, wish you all a very happy marriage anniversary, 40th wedding anniversary. If I have to say something about you all, there are so many things. Wait, let me speak. I have to say so many things, but in a gist I will say, okay? First, Kala is like an elder sister to me. The one which I always wished for but never had, okay? And after saying this, obviously,
All
since
set,
she
all
is-
set.
Wait, no. Since she is my elder sister, my brother-in-law is a dog. So what more? We communicate very well. So it's like Sone Pe Suhaga. Okay. So having said that, both of y'all ooze so much of positivity, even in the worst and adverse of situations. Y'all are our travel buddies. Without you all, we'll feel so lonely and so lost out. Even if we go for a single trip on our own, we think, oh, wish Kala was there. If Ravi was there, we would have done this, we would have done that. And one more thing that I want to tell about you all, the best part is how beautifully you all have brought up your 2 daughters, keeping all the family values and traditions in today's modern world. That is one thing I admire about you all. Y'all with your 2 daughters, beautiful son-in-laws, your 2 cutest of grandchildren make a picture perfect family, which even I wish I have in the future.
There may be more. Who knows?
Okay, so if now Nikki has asked us to say one memorable event, all are memorable only, but if you ask me to choose one which I will never forget, is where we lost our car key. Oh God, these 2 men were so furious and they were screaming and shouting, and you were so chilled out and you were telling me, come Vandana, let's go and do some plant shopping. And we went and bought some plants and Ravi was fuming and I was laughing and laughing that
The key got rammed because of the plants only.
and we were like thinking how to organize the plants in the car, where to keep it and all. And these 2 men were fuming. That moment I can never forget. It's always fun. We keep laughing and laughing about it.
It's always a laugh ride when you guys are, when we are all together. It's just a laugh ride. Sometimes I keep wondering, our drives are about 6 to 7 hours, but how it goes off. Of course, these 2 dogs will have their nappies, but we just continue yapping, and the laugh ride what we have, tremendous. Missing all those now, because of this lockdown. Really missing and looking forward now for many more. Now we've done a lot of national trips. Now time for some international, starting with Bangkok and then Aussie land.
Hey, we have to walk. I and Kala have to walk the red light area in Bangkok. That is what we have decided. Okay, not Bangkok. Where Bangkok only it is?
It is not called red light area.
Then what is it called?
It's called Beach Street.
Okay, whatever it is, we have to walk that area. We have to walk that.
And now we have a surprise all the way from down under. Check it out. Very, very happy anniversary.
All the love from all the way down under.
Speak in your Aussie accent. How would an Aussie say?
I don't know the accent, mate.
You don't know, mate?
No, mate. I ain't good at that.
Hey Ravi and Kala, we love you all a lot. You all are very precious to us. You all are our dear friends. We wish you both a very, very happy and most important, a very healthy life and many more fun trips I hope we can have in this lifetime with you all.
You know, the thing is, we've known you for about, I think about 7 to 8 years. But it feels as if we know you from about...
From school days.
From school days, yeah. And that reminds me, myself and Kala, we were just neighboring schools, right? Sacred Hearts and St. Teresa's. Wish we had met then, yeah?
Yeah, wish we all had met.
Yeah, this one was across the station, on the other side.
Correct.
I don't know, Doc I think was in Ampanketa area.
No problem. We'll make up for it now in our olden days.
So looking forward to catching you all very, very soon. And let's have a bash as soon as this lockdown thing, gets over. And thanks Nikki, Adi, Neha and Abhi for organizing this.
We love you all.
And many cheers.
Cheers.
Bak I lile घेऊन टाक. Cheers.
A large part of the 40 years was spent in your first home, Bell Colony, and your second home, Cluny Convent. Here's what the Bell and Cluny family have to say.
Hello, Kala and Ravi. God bless you both on this special day. We both are so happy to be a part of this celebration. Thanks to our Neha and Nikki for this thoughtfulness. Kala and Ravi, as you celebrate 40 years of your married life, you have done a wonderful thing in your life, because a man and woman getting married is just not only to establish a family, but you become a responsible member in the society, because you pass on the custom, the tradition, the culture to our children, especially to our daughters who carry the torch ahead as they get married and go to different families, which you both have done a wonderful job. We feel so proud. I think our relationship is more than 3 decades. It just started as parent-teacher's relationship in our Cluny Convent, which has bloomed into a beautiful family bonding. We have been proving that yes, we care for each other, and we have always been supportive during our sorrowful, joyful, and celebrative moments also. And Ravi, I should sincerely thank you for guiding, especially when Ramochand got just discharged and came back, and when he had the continuous cough. Thank you so much, Kala and Ravi. Thanks to all your prayers, today we are here, smiling and talking to you. Kala, you have been a great person, just not sharing the food, the jackfruit from your garden, but you always shared your knowledge. You have never hesitated
I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you, Kala. God bless you. Whether it is crochet, whether it is about your shares and investing, wonderful, wonderful. God bless you both. And we take great pride in blessing you, in wishing you all the very best. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and keep you always cheerful. Thank you. Take care. Stay blessed.
कला आणि रवी तुमकां लग्ना वाडदिवसाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हाय कला, thought of wishing you in Shuddha Amchigala first. I still remember the joy and happiness of having met you in Cluny and found so many things in common. Being Mumbaiites, having studied in the same school, it's been 20 years since. Dear Kala and Ravi, there is so much to learn from you both. A warm and affectionate couple, wonderful parents and doting grandparents. May God bless you both with good health and happiness and many, many more years of togetherness. Happy 40th wedding anniversary to a wonderful couple. Have a great day.
Dear Kala and Ravi, happy anniversary. Your marriage is a true example of perfect love and commitment. I wish the two of you happy celebrations. I remember the first day I met you, even now Kala. It happened to be my first day at school too. I remember you were dressed in a green sari with matching jewelry, all bubbly and energetic. Our friendship started on that day 23 years ago. Thank you, Kala, for always being there for me. Wishing you both many more wonderful anniversaries. God bless you both.
Hello, Kala. Hello, Ravi. Congratulations to both of you on this wonderful accomplishment of spending 40 years together. 40 years of happy married life. And on this very special occasion, I wish to congratulate both of you for a fabulous and a wonderful life filled with ethics that you have lived, and you have lived an exemplary life where we all look up to. And as I congratulate you, thoughts fly my mind. I recall to mind the day I met Kala for the first time. Neha was in my class, and that was my first batch in the year 1994. When Neha was in my class, Kala walked in as a parent for parent-teacher meeting, and just in the conversation, Kala asked if there was a vacancy in Cluny Convent and that she wished to become a teacher and she wanted to join us as a faculty. And I was also very thrilled. I said, why don't you go and join in? Why don't you give in your application? She just went the same day. On her way back, she gave her application, her biodata. And very soon, Kala was chosen to be a part of Cluny family. And it was wonderful to see how a parent turned into a colleague and a wonderful friend to me, and such a wonderful friend that even after she has left school and after so many years, we are still evergreen friends. Kala, it's only because of that golden, that beautiful, fabulous heart that you have. Your wonderful words which turn everything into magic. Thank you, Kala, for the wonderful person that you are in my life. And today, as I hear that you are celebrating your 40th year of wedding, I am so thrilled and I am so happy. Times have really flown by. Can't imagine how fast. And Ravi, the first time I met you was in your house. And when Kala had invited me over for a function, for a festival celebration. and that's when I met you and Mama. And it was very nice to see that, you are so principled. You are such a wonderful guy. You are fabulous in your profession. And I'm very proud to be having such wonderful friends like you. Kala and you have been great friends to me. And, the most important event that strikes my mind right now is when Kala, the most happiest moment at Cluny with Kala was when Kala had my name as a Christmas friend during the Christmas time in school, which is a traditional way of exchanging gifts and expressing our joy and wishing each other well at Christmas time. Kala had my name as a Christmas friend, and every day she used to surprise me with gifts. Every day on my table or through some person, I used to get gifts, and I was really very curious to find out who this person was who was sending me so many gifts and thrilling me every day. And I was truly very excited, Kala. I just can't express. It's a fountain of a joy to even know that, you did such great magical things to me. And I was always waiting for that big day to come up and, when will I meet this Christmas secret angel? And the day appeared, and on that day of Christmas function, celebration, it was Kala who came up to me and wished me and exchanged gifts. And I was so happy to know that all that gifts, surprising gifts that I received was from Kala. And it was even a carnival at that time, I guess, when Kala dedicated a song for me on stage saying, "This is for my Christmas friend," to Miss Mary Flomina. And I heard that name in the air and I was so thrilled. I said, "Oh my God, this teacher is really fabulous." Kala, you thrilled me like anything. That was the most happiest moment. Yes, there are many other moments that I look up to, but this was fabulous. And from there on, Kala has always remembered me every Christmas every year, and sending gifts to me and calling me a Christmas evergreen Christmas friend. So we are evergreen Christmas friends, and we shall not only be Christmas friends, we are evergreen throughout the year. Isn't it, Kala? So on this beautiful day, I thank the Lord for having given such a wonderful friend to me in my life, who I enjoyed at Cluny, and I'm still enjoying your friendship. You still surprise me with those small little notes that you used to send to my class, and with a lovely note saying my sari was nice or my accessory was nice, or some praise, and some if you would have heard my speech, you would send a note to me and appreciate me and express your love. Kala, you're truly magical. I never found a friend like you till now who would send love notes to me and thank me, and no one ever called me a evergreen Christmas friend. So all these terms were first with you, and I still enjoy that wonderful friendship with you. And Ravi, of course, I wish you a wonderful Ruby wedding anniversary. And once we had a karate international show at Cluny, and I remember how you were praising my speech, and I still remember that, those lovely words you had to appreciate my speech when Kala and myself both were comparing the show. So thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Kala, for that fabulous friendship that I share with you. And you rock, you both rock. You're a great couple, and I pray to God for abundance in your life, always. And may God bless you both, your children, Neha and Nikki, their families, and your grandchildren who are such fabulous guys. So God bless all of you, and may you have many, many more years of wonderful friendship and togetherness with lots of happiness filled. And may your Ruby wedding anniversary turn golden wedding anniversary. Waiting for it soon. Time will fly fast. So I'm waiting for the golden jubilee of your wedding. God bless you, Ravi. God bless you, Kala. and thank you for all that you are to me. Love you, enjoy your day, and may you have many more years together. God bless you both. Bye-bye.
Hi Kala and Dr. Ravi. मैं मनीषा आपको शादी की 40वीं वर्षगांठ की मंगल कामनाएं। मेरा और कला का परिचय 1996 में हुआ, जब वह अनिमा की LKG की क्लास टीचर थी और मुझे पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग में मिलने का सौभाग्य मिला। उसके बाद 1999 से क्लूनी ज्वाइन करने के बाद हम कई वर्षों तक साथ काम किए और 2006 में डॉक्टर रवि से उनकी 25th एनिवर्सरी पर हम सब परिवार मिले और तब से अब तक यह सिलसिला जारी है। आज मुझे यह सौभाग्य मिला कि उनकी 40वीं वर्षगांठ पर भी कुछ कहने को मिला है। विवाह दिनम इदम भवतु हर्षदम मंगलम वच क्षेमदम प्रतिदिनम नवम प्रेम वर्धता शतगुणकुलम सदा ही मोदता लोक सेवया देव पूजनम गृहस्थ जीवनम भवतु मोक्षदम। विवाह के यह 40वां मंगल वर्ष आप दोनों के लिए प्रसन्नता, प्रगति, सुख व संपन्न जीवन का पथ प्रशस्त करे। आप दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए नवीन प्रेम का सृजन करते रहे। आप दोनों शतायु हों और अपने कुल व परिवार की उन्नति के कारक बने। समाज सेवा और ईश्वर भक्ति की भावना के साथ आप सांसारिकता का सदैव निर्वहन करते रहें। आप दोनों को विवाह की वर्षगांठ पर अनेकों मंगल कामनाएं। आपका साथ सदैव बना रहे। आप दोनों ही हमेशा जितने मिलनसार, हंसमुख, विनम्र और हमेशा सहायता के लिए तत्पर रहते हैं। थैंक यू।
Happy anniversary.
Hi Kala. Hi Ravi sir. Happy Ruby wedding anniversary. Both of you look very young and energetic. We can't even imagine that you have completed 40 long fruitful years, Kala. I'm very happy for you and very proud of you. Kala and me, we belong to Clooney family. First time when I met her, I did not know anything about her, but slowly I got to know about her. She is a very caring, helpful, talented, creative person. She started coming to the staff room during the lunch break. Then I made friends with her and she became one of my closest friends. And Ravi sir, I hardly met him once or twice, but I know he too is very caring and helpful. 2 years back, I underwent spine surgery. Both of them visited the hospital previous day and filled in me hope and confidence. So Kala, one thing I have noticed, both of them are known for their empathy and they are made for each other. So once again, Kala and Ravi sir, I wish you a very happy Ruby wedding anniversary and I wish you to complete Diamond Jubilee. So Neha, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my feelings about your parents. Okay, bye.
Hi Kala and Ravi, wish you a very happy Ruby anniversary and wish you many more in future. Wish you lots of happiness and we are really blessed to have friends like you.
Hi Kala, hi Ravi, wish you a wonderful Ruby anniversary. We are really, as Almaz said, we are really blessed to have friends like you who have been with us for such a long time, although we were not in Bangalore in between. But we are very lucky to be back in Bangalore and we are cherishing that. And of course, as Almaz said, that it was wonderful to be part of Nikki's wedding. Where there was so much of fun and laughter and bonding and togetherness.
We enjoyed the wedding so much, with so much of entertainment and everything.
And we also, we really appreciate that you invited us to your brother-in-law's
Yeah, that was another thing,
daughter's son's wedding there
yeah.
in RSI. You've always made us part of your
whatever family thing was happening. you were always there.
and we really appreciate that, cherish it, and we are very lucky to be back in Bangalore for good, and we'll continue to be there.
Yeah.
Almas, anything else from your side?
And we would have come personally to wish you on this occasion.
Yes.
But
we would have
with
really
COVID
loved
times,
it, but
anyway, our wishes are there.
always there with you, and
have
you
a
are
wonderful
always
day.
in our mind.
And we wish to share future also memories with you.
Yes,
and
we
everything.
are there here only, and thank you so much. It has been
Yeah, thanks for
great.
everything.
It has always been. You have been so supportive,
Yeah.
both of you, especially during COVID times. So anyway, a very happy anniversary again. Have a great time, and
And
hope
wish
to
you
catch up.
more trips, foreign trips in
Yeah.
future as fast as possible,
As fast
so that
as
you can
possible.
enjoy your
Yes.
Ruby anniversary
Anniversary
again.
and,
So have a wonderful year ahead and have fun. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Kala and Ravi wish you the best on this day.
Ravi and Kala, good health and good cheer every day.
There's so much about you both and your ways.
The memories we share keep us smiling always.
Movies, picnics, trips and holidays.
All remind us perpetually of the good old days.
And Ravi, your calm and sensible nature makes you a man of incredible stature.
Kala, you are always positive and cheerful. No matter the odds, your bright smile brings joy to all.
Together, you are a couple who complement each other.
40 years of both good and bad you did weather.
They say it's your Ruby wedding, dear friends.
Wishes for happiness, luck, prosperity and health we send.
Happy anniversary, Kala and Ravi.
May God bless you both always.
Hi Kala, hi Ravi, and dear all who are watching this video. I would like to be a bit traditional on this auspicious day. I would like to start with reciting a prarthana for Ravi and Kala, and of course for everyone, for their good health and peace. So let us begin with prarthana. Om पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवत् गीते भवद्वेषिणीं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्. ॐ तत्सत्. We are very happy today and proud of Ravi and Kala for setting such a magical chemistry of love. On behalf of Surekha, Neha and Amruta with their families, I wish a very happy 40th wedding anniversary to you both. An anniversary is a time to celebrate today's moments of joy of your achievements, yesterday's memories, and share hopes of tomorrow. It is almost now 33 years, Ravi and Kala, we know each other. Friends like you are phenomenal. It is extraordinary to have acquainted with a couple who show each other unconditional love and understanding, the way that listen to us and wisdom that you share with all of us is forever appreciated. I found in you a simple and upright, straightforward person and always upheld value systems the most. As a doctor and senior executive in Bell, you work throughout with integrity and loyalty. I know for sure that these days many extract all the benefits for themselves and their family from their serving organizations and then simply jump to the other organization just for the sake of money. For doctors, it is very easy in this country. But Ravi, you never believed in doing this. Instead, you demonstrated your loyalty toward the organization by training and preparing the second lines and thus contributed towards its growth. Even today, that is after 4 years of your retirement, the Bell Hospital staff, nurses and doctors do admire your services. They also remember you for your advices in their personal matters and are grateful to you. Kala, please take a note of it. You should be proud of your hubby. You are very lucky to have him. Kala, you are very smart and intelligent personality. You have skillfully managed your home, career and family. You played a balanced role and as well complemented Ravi whenever necessary. Your role in shaping up both the daughters is exemplary, always supportive and motivational. You had taken some hard decisions for them and therefore they are all well placed in their career now. No doubt, Neha and Nikki have benchmarked you as a model mother to bringing up their families and children in particular. We shared many commonalities, such as married in the same year. Both have daughters. Elder daughters are named Neha. They share the same birth date. We both families stayed longest in Bell Colony. We shopped together, took evening walks, enjoying the nature around us, watched movies together, and many more things. We remember our trips to Hospet, Badami, Patadakkal, Bijapur, and Goa. On the last day of our tour, both of us got broke. We did not have money even to buy our meals that day in the train. Ravi and I were just wondering how to manage meals for our kids. Surprisingly, Kala, you came to our rescue. You took out a 500 rupee note from your hidden wallet. That gave us a big sigh of relief. Keeping some reserve funds for emergency purpose is a noteworthy example of your thoughtfulness. We both wished to greet you in person, but present situation of quarantine life prohibits everyone to do so. I therefore would like to elaborate more on yesterday's dreams and hopes of tomorrow by reading a small verse which I like the most, and I am certain you will also like it. Yesterday's dreams have all passed away, and now we must put our faith in today. Tomorrow will dawn all shiny and new, and maybe, just maybe, our dreams will come true. Yesterday's gone, over and past, and all our wishing can't make it last. Tomorrow lies yet in addition a distant land, and we have only the present at hand. We just can't forget all our yesterdays, for they have helped in making today. In tomorrow rest all our hopes and plans, the challenge to make this a much better land. Now therein lies the secret of life, the happiness, sorrow, fulfillment and strife. We must live today. There is no other way, for today becomes yesterday and tomorrow today. I conclude with all that you both are is all that we will ever need. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Namaskara to everyone. Thank you. God bless.
And now, let's hear from your friends who are like family and have known you even beyond 40 years.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार।
Hey Risha, you know today is Kala's and Ravi's wedding anniversary. Yeah. Let's wish them. Yeah.
Can you imagine it is the 40th anniversary?
Don't tell
And
me
they
40th anniversary, and
They look so youthful.
they look so youthful, they look so young, and both are made for each other. They are actually एक दूजे के लिए.
Yeah, I wish there was this lockdown business and nothing was in there COVID. Then we could have somehow met, gone to Bangalore maybe and met them and celebrated.
Yeah. You know what, Risha? Ravi means Surya. Surya means sun, yeah. And he has brought in her life a bright lifestyle, yeah, and prosperity. And even Kala is not, कुछ कम नहीं है. Basically, she manages the household so well. अभी 2 daughters की शादी हो गई and well established this thing, and now grandson. And only sad thing what I don't like is Ravi has such a golden voice which he has not explored earlier. Yeah, he should have, he could have become a good singer, a best singer in Karnataka. Yeah, let me tell you frankly, I loved his voice. Yeah. And Kala is a real Indian Nari, so energetic, aggressive and excellent communication skills, and she has got great social personality. Ravi on the other hand is down to earth person. Yeah, I really, let's wish them all the best. Hey Kala, Ravi,
Hi guys.
Best wishes for a great marriage anniversary. Yeah, happy anniversary. Okay? Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Hello, happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Kala and Ravi all have been amazing couple. I can't even imagine anybody else as beautiful, as close together, and as just made for each other. So I remember when you got married, Kala, and I was so sad. My gosh, I was thinking I'm going to lose my best friend, my bestie, to Ravi, but really, honestly, through the years, I think I've gained another friend in Ravi and not lost you at all. I love you, I love Ravi, and your children, everybody. They're just mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, guys. Kala and Ravi.
Love you all.
Wishing you many more to come.
Hi Kala and Ravi, happy marriage anniversary. Kala, remembering those days when we were in college, how we met first and then bonded together. Let it be, those days were so nice and beautiful. Let it be sitting in the class and attending the lecture, or sitting in girls' room and having fun, or going to Juhu Beach, or going for movies, sitting in your house, my house, or Pinku's house, and having fun. It's always been a pleasure being around you. I also remember the days when we had come for your wedding to Mangalore and Bangalore. Had enjoyed every moment of those days. I have known both of your daughters. They are so beautiful, and your grandchildren are so cute. It's wonderful knowing Ravi also. He's always welcomed me in. You've always welcomed me in your house as a family member. Never felt anything less. God bless you with many, many more years to come of togetherness and happiness. Bye.
Hi Kala and Ravi. Greetings from Arizona on a very special occasion. Balu and I wish you a very happy marriage anniversary. On this very special day, may the fond memories of the past and the laughter of the present become the fragrance of tomorrow. May this marriage anniversary be magical enough to add great love, care, and compassion to your lives. Take care, my friend, and see you both sometime very soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Dear Ravi and Kala, wishing you both a very, very happy 40th wedding anniversary.
My God, 40 years of togetherness. It's like being born together. Kala and Ravi, it is a pleasure knowing you both. You've always been such a rock-solid support in our lives. You've supported us so much that I think leaving Bombay and coming and living in Bangalore has been worthwhile because of people like you. It was definitely a challenge for us. We got a house because of you. You've made every occasion in our lives very special. Whether it was our birthdays, our anniversaries, Akash's accomplishments, everything. You're lucky to have such wonderful children, and even more lucky to have such wonderful son-in-laws and cute grandchildren. You know why God is so kind to you? Because अच्छे लोगों के साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है. Thank you for being part of our lives, and may God bless you both with good health, and may you continue to spread cheer and happiness as you always do. You are an inspiration for all of us. 2 lines for you. आए हो हमारी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके, आए हो हमारी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके, हमरे दिल में यूं ही रहना, हाय हमरे दिल में यूं ही रहना, तुम प्यार प्यार बनके, आए हो हमारी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके, आँखों में तुम बसे हो सपनों हजार बनके, आँखों में तुम बसे हो सपने हजार बनके, हमरे दिल में यूं ही रहना, हाय हमरे दिल में यूं ही रहना, तुम प्यार प्यार बनके, आए हो हमारी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके.
प्रिय रवि और कला, सबसे पहले तो आपको ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ और शुभकामनाओं की कुछ पंक्तियाँ एक कविता के रूप में आपके लिए। कल की ही तो जैसे बात है, कुछ ऐसा ही लगता है ना, 40 साल पहले जब तुम दोनों ने जीवन पथ पर साथ साथ चलने की रस्में निभाई, कस्में खाई। रवि ने कला के लिए गुनगुनाया, फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती। कला के दिल से आवाज़ आई, इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार। फिर जीवन में नेहा निक्की के आने से खुशियों की एक नई बहार आई। समय तो जैसे पंख लगाकर उड़ा। कब अभिषेक आदित्य ने जीवन में प्रवेश किया पता ही न चला। मौसम और खुशगवार हुआ। रियो और अगस्त्य की किलकारियों से घर गूंजा। रिश्तों की बगिया महकाई, जीवन में पूर्णता लाई। इस अवसर पर हमारी है दुआ यही, जिंदगी रहे आपकी हमेशा खुशनुमा यूं ही। हमारी खुशनसीबी कि आप जैसे दोस्तों का साथ मिला। बस यूं ही चलता रहे ये सिलसिला। सुर संगीत की ये दुनिया यूं ही रहे गुलजार। आपके जीवन में बनी रहे बहार।
डियर कला और रवि, विशेष रूप से मेरी तरफ से एक कोशिश आपके लिए। तुम गेले लग्नाचे 40 वर्षाचे वाढदिवसाचे शुभ समारंभाक तुमका मेगेले आत्मीय शुभाशय आणि तुम गेले जीवनपर्यंत तुमका सुख समृद्धी आनंद आणि आरोग्य मिळो अशी देवलागी मागता। हे महत्त्वपूर्ण संदर्भ आचरणे भीतर तुम गेले आणि आम गेले कौटुंबिक मैत्री दोस्ती मुक्त विचार हेची आम गेले परस्पर बांधव जावनु आसो म्हणू आशा करता। तुमका देवर बरे करो।
एक बार फिर हम लोगों की तरफ से ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ और
शुभकामनाएं। ऑल द बेस्ट रवि कला।
कला और रवि को शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो।
इस उपलक्ष्य में मैं 4 पंक्तियां सुनाना चाहती हूँ। दिल की गहराई से दी है दुआ आपको, लोगों का प्यार मिले सदा आपको, नजर ना लगे कभी इस प्यार को, चांद सितारों से लंबा हो साथ आपको, यूं ही जिंदगी रहे जगमगाती, मानो संग हो दिया और बाती।
रवि और कला से हमारी मुलाकात बहुत पुरानी है। रवि जितने ओजपूर्ण है, कला उतनी ही शांत, चंचल और हंसमुख। ये जोड़ी नव जोड़ों को इंस्पायर करती है। कला और रवि में जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उससे लोगों को सीख लेनी चाहिए और मैं ईश्वर से यही कामना करूंगा कि रवि और कला की जिंदगी में सारे के सारे फूल हमेशा खिलते रहें और ये इसी तरीके से मुस्कुराते रहें। थैंक यू।
Hi Kala and Ravi. Wishing you both
a grand wedding
anniversary and beautiful life of love and togetherness. Hey Ravi, you have looked into millions of ears, noses and throats, but got hooked by looking into one person's eyes and heart. That's the wonderful Kala. We are really delighted to have you both, a wonderful couple, as friends in our lives. Here is a song dedicated to you. God bless you both. Please enjoy the song. Anniversary to you.
Happy 40th anniversary to one of the greatest couples we know. What a life, Ravi and Kala, you both share, celebrating the wrinkles and wisdom accumulated over 40 years of togetherness. May you both add many more chapters in your life of love and togetherness. You both are really always a joy to see as pairs, parents, grandparents, and of course our gang of friends. You both are really a great combo couple. May you both continue to be like this ever after.
Love and cheers to you both, Kala and Ravi. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary, Kala and Doctor. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Congratulations. Yay. We have a nice time. From the Monteros. Bye.
Congratulations, what a marvelous achievement. May God bless you and keep you for many, many more happier years to come. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent by the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
Hi Kala, hi Ravi, Vandana and Snehal here. It's been a pleasure to have this opportunity to wish you on this day. And looking at both of you, a thought actually crosses my mind that when a marriage is nurtured, it grows continually and reflects God's blessings like an unfolding rose. To the perfect pair, yesterday, today and tomorrow, wish you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary.
Hi Kala and Ravi. Most marriages go through their trials and tribulations. There are compromises made, there is heartache, and then there are joyous moments as well. As the years go by, the hearts grow fonder, the bonds grow stronger, and the codependency increases. In your case, on our trip together, I figured out a little secret, which I'm going to go out on a limb and say it here. 40 years ago, a young budding doctor named Ravi Kudwa was smitten by a young and beautiful Chandrakala Nayak, and he married her. 40 years later, Dr. Ravi Kudwa is still smitten by his wife Kala Kudwa, and that, my friends, is the secret of your long and successful marriage. Hearty congratulations on your 40th wedding anniversary. God bless.
Hi Kala. When I think of you, the first thing that comes to my mind is we've lost so many years of fun together by not knowing each of us was in the same city. Having somebody from your same school and moreover the same batch makes us so similar in our ways of thinking. We could have been a huge support system to each other, huge comfort to each other. Anyway, better late than never. Over the last 2 years that I've got to know you, I have come to admire your versatility. You're so good at cooking, crochet, knitting. Not only that, you manage your time so beautifully. You're able to nurture your plants, you're able to keep your house beautifully, and also have time to play with your grandchildren. There's a lot we could all learn from you. And as though all this is not enough, you're so good at money management skills, knowledge of where to invest our additional funds. Sometimes I call you to ask you where to invest my funds, in which mutual fund. And you're also very good at networking and socializing. So I sometimes wonder whether your day has 24 hours the way ours has, or does your day have longer number of hours. You have a lot of time for people who need you, and you're truly large-hearted. But as I see this huge metamorphosis in you, the way I knew you in school to the way you have turned out now, then I think that maybe I'm sure Ravi would have played a huge role in the way you've turned out now. He would have given you a lot of encouragement, a lot of exposure, a lot of independence, which has obviously made you the kind of person you are today, a truly confident person. Kudos to this lovely marriage, which has so much understanding, so much togetherness, so much of helping each other grow to their maximum potential. Wishing you both a very happy wedding anniversary and many more years of togetherness. God bless you both and your extended family. Take care and thank you.
Happy wedding anniversary, Kala. I wish both of you the very best ahead.
It's been 40 wonderful years, and I'm sure that the next 40 are going to be even more beautiful. I still remember our time in Bangalore, and I do hope that we can meet again this year or next year. Meanwhile, all the best and lots of love.
Where do I begin? My reconnection with Kala after a period of almost 35 years was sheer luck and maybe Providence chosen. It was a chance meeting with Ravi one evening at Anjali and Ravi's place when Kala had gone to Bombay. We had just gotten chatting when I suddenly realized that Ravi was no other or none other than my childhood friend and school's batchmate, Chandrakala Nayak's husband, and what a joy it gave me. The call that Ravi made to you, Kala, telling you that he had met someone who knew you longer than he had, surely puzzled you. But when we got talking, the puzzle was solved and we awaited the day that we would meet in person. The Diwali of 2015 was such a memorable one for me. I'm so glad that I got a chance to reconnect with you, Kala, after more than 3 decades, despite having spent our most important and growing years together. And though we met after such a long gap, we reconnected as if it was just yesterday that we had lost contact. During my various visits to Bangalore, I got to meet you, Ravi, your daughters, Neha and Nikki, your sons-in-law, and your 2 adorable grandsons. What a warm welcome Aditya and I have always received at your place. Though you and I had a lot of catching up to do, I enjoyed myself each time that we met up. I still look forward to many more such meetups, sharing of memories, ideas and thoughts, and spend time in the future doing some good and fruitful deeds. Both you and Ravi complement each other so well through your love for each other and understanding of each other's needs. This gave you a chance to overcome difficult and various obstacles. It is always a pleasure to see how strong your support for each other is. May you continue to enjoy the blessings of togetherness and all the joys of love as you travel along the roads of life ahead. Happy 40th Ruby anniversary to the special couple Chandrakala and Ravi. Congratulations on spending and completing 40 years of love, commitment, happiness, disagreements, arguments, and patch-ups. Relationships have the ups and downs, weaving sad and upsetting moments along with very happy and satisfying moments. And in the end, you realize that it was all well worth it. Relationships last not because they were destined to last. Yours has lasted so long because both of you made it a choice to keep at it, fight for it, and work for it. Happy anniversary once again, and hope you have a splendid time along the journey ahead. Take care. Bye.
In 40 years together, you've shared so many things. That's why this very special anniversary brings a wish that love, laughter, peace, and contentment too will be yours to share throughout the years ahead of you. Happy Ruby wedding anniversary from all of us.